Hi guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new here, hello, my name is Ella. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, don't get too comfortable with me looking like this. This is not standard procedure. Normally I have zero makeup on. My hair's chucked up in a messy bun and I've literally just rolled out of bed. But today was a different story. My sister actually came over at like 9 this morning and she did my makeup. I love when she does my makeup. I feel like she does such a good job. And we just chatted, listened to some tunes, which is something we always used to do when I was still living at home. Like she would do my makeup and we'd take photos and just like hang out. But obviously since I've moved out of home and now I'm living with Nick, we don't get to do it as often or at all. This is actually the first time since I moved here like 2 months ago. So it was really nice. Just nice to spend some like quality sister time together. Sisters. Nick should be home pretty soon. I think we're gonna head off to do some food shopping. I actually need to meal plan for the week because I have no idea what we're cooking for dinner. I like to plan our meals in advance. I've talked about this before, but just so I know what we're cooking, that way we're not wasting any food. We're also spending within our budget and it doesn't come to like nighttime and I'm like, oh, what are we cooking for dinner? It's already decided for me by past Ella. I'm gonna plan that. I don't know what the heck we're gonna cook. I feel like I've been cooking the same kind of things recently, so I think I want to change it up. Okay, time for a little grocery haul. So this week we got a lot of meat. I don't know why. It just worked out that way. So we got some bassa chicken drumsticks. These are really good if you just pop them in the air fryer for like 23 minutes. So good. We also got some chorizo for the paella we're making this week, ham for my wraps and like sandwiches, chicken thighs, beef mince, Greek yogurt, frozen peas, and then we got some light milk, frozen mixed berries, which they have been out of for like a month now. Very exciting purchase. This was the last one left. We love to see it. It looks like I've put it on its own little pedestal. That's hilarious. Anyway, I got some spinach dip, soy milk, bananas, broccoli, capsicum, and what do they call this in Australia? In England, we call it a courgette. I think it's a zucchini here. I don't know. I get confused between zucchini and eggplant. I think this is zucchini. I'm very culturally confused, but a courgette, strawberries, because they were like $1.50. We love that. Some Granny Smith apples, baby spinach, some pasta, a couple of packets of brown rice and quinoa, some oats, and paper towel. And then, oh no. And then I got some whole grain wraps, bread, some sponges, mac and cheese, a couple of cans of diced tomatoes, some muesli bars. These ones are the Hillcrest Premium Fruit and Nut. It's got toasted whole grains, oat with seeds, almonds, sultanas, currants, coconut and cinnamon, which sounds yum. Some saladas. I'm gonna make some banana bread this week because we have a few super ripe bananas. So I got some dark chocolate chips for that. And then as a little sweet treat this week, we got this caramel chocolate, which if you shop at Aldi, would highly recommend. It is so good. It tastes like a caramel koala, but in like a chocolate bar form. And then just one single can of tuna because that's all they had left. Yeah, that's the little grocery haul. I'm gonna put all of this away. Need to wash the dishes and start cooking dinner. Good morning, you guys. It is Tuesday now. I'm just getting ready. I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup to make myself look a little more alive. I'm about to head out to go grab a coffee. Super last minute and very spontaneous, but my friend Jacqueline messaged me asking if I wanted to go get a coffee with her and my friend Tash. Tash actually just had a baby like not too long ago, maybe a month? 6 weeks? Yeah, probably 6 weeks now. So we are going to meet her baby for the first time, which is so exciting. I know, just catch up. I haven't seen them in a while, so I thought I would put in minimal effort. I'm gonna go to the gym after, so I don't really want to wear a whole lot of makeup. That is the plan. Happy Tuesday. I also have to edit last week's vlog and get that up. I normally try and upload them on Monday, but obviously because of the weekend and the passing of my granddad. It just like wasn't priority, which I think is probably fair. But yeah, I really need to do that. I also have a few emails to reply to. All very exciting stuff. I really wanted to document this very monumental moment, which, hello, by the way, I don't think I've picked up the camera all day. Hi. It is B, it is I. Yesterday was the 1st of September, which means it's officially spring here in Australia. And it's really felt like it. The last 2 days, the weather has been incredible. And so Nick and I did something pretty monumental. Put the laundry outside in the outside balcony. Isn't that so exciting? I'm pretty stoked about it, to be honest, because it frees up a lot of the spare room and we weren't really using this space for anything else. We've opened the windows so that we can get some airflow in here. We did try having the clothesline out here originally when we first moved in, but it was in the middle of winter, so the clothes just weren't drying. But now that it's warming up, we finally can. And I'll show you guys the spare room. Also just got a super exciting package from Princess Polly, which I am so excited to open. This is the spare room now. Still have a lot to tidy up here, but look at all this room, all this space for activity. And it also means when I'm doing my makeup and chatting to you guys, there's not like my bras and knickers hanging in the background drying. So we love that. Anyway, the sun is just setting, so I think I'm gonna sit down with my book with a nice view of my newly placed clothesline and a little bit of the ocean through there. This is the book that I'm currently reading. It's Bonnie and Stan by Anna Stewart. One of you guys actually recommended this after I finished reading Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine a while ago. I'm only like 50 pages in, so I can't really give my thoughts and opinions just yet, but I will let you guys know how I like it. It's a bit of a romance novel, a little bit of a love story, which I'm definitely not opposed to. So yeah, updates to come on how I like that. I actually just finished reading this bad boy. Look at the size of this. This is a beastie novel. I think it's like 500 and something pages. Yeah, 517 pages. So it took me a good couple weeks to get through, but I really enjoyed it. It is the prequel to the Hunger Games trilogy, which I am the biggest fan of. I read the first Hunger Games book by Suzanne Collins back in like 2009, just after it had been released. So an OG fan here. I think if you've read the Hunger Games trilogy and you enjoy Suzanne Collins as an author, you will like this. I've heard pretty mixed things about this book, but I personally enjoyed it. I don't think it's quite as fast-paced and action-packed as the other ones by any means, but the writing style is very similar, so if you enjoy that, then I'd recommend it. Also adds like a nice extra layer and just like more depth to the Hunger Games and like the history behind it. It's written from President Snow's perspective, so super interesting. Would recommend. I don't know if they're making a movie out of this. I'm assuming so, since the Hunger Games was such a success, but yeah. Bit of a change of pace going from this to this, but I like all genres, don't discriminate. So if you guys have any good book recs, let me know, because I'm always looking for new books to read. Stop. I love that. It is now dinner time. Nick's actually out tonight. Where is he? Where is my boyfriend? He had a physio appointment and then he has cricket training, pre-season cricket training. We love that. So it's just me tonight. I'm cooking myself up some roasted vegetable pasta. I actually got this recipe from the HelloFresh website. A little life hack for you guys. The only thing that's kind of annoying is that I'm assuming with the HelloFresh boxes, they actually come with the ingredients in the exact like right amount that you need. What the hell? This is why I hate living with a boy. What the heck? Nicholas. Freaking peanut butter all over the cupboards. At least he closed it. Yeah, I think with the HelloFresh boxes, it comes with all of the exact measurements for the recipe. They have the recipe on the websites, but it's not like super specific. Like it says 1 bag of baby spinach leaves. Like how big is the bag? Is that like their size bag or is it like an actual bag of spinach? I don't know. It worked out well last time. It's actually roasted vegetable and pesto pasta, but I didn't buy any pesto last time and it actually tasted really good without it. So I'm making it without it again. Rebel, I know.
I can't hear you.
Was she there the whole session?
No, it was the same girl. I think she felt a bit uncomfortable actually.
Did she? guys, I think this is my first time talking to you guys all day. Hello, happy Thursday. Is it Thursday? God knows, honestly, the days just keep blurring into one. Today I went to the gym. As you guys saw, that was pretty much my biggest accomplishment of the day, to be quite honest. But I had such a good leg sesh, I'm already feeling the effects. Like the endorphins, incredible, but also like my legs are absolute jelly right now, and I know that I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow, but it was really, really good. I'm just doing a bit of skincare. I'm using these Sephora glycolic acid glow peel pads that I got from Sephora not long ago. Obviously Sephora. They're really nice and exfoliating, but like not too harsh. I like to use these after I get out of the shower just to make sure that absolutely everything's removed. Nick should be home from work pretty soon. We don't have anything on tonight, so I kind of feel like going for a sunset beach walk, so I might drag him along. He's making paella tonight, which I'm very excited about. Yeah, it's just probably gonna be a very chill one. Probably watch Pretty Little Liars as per usual. I'm wearing my new UCLA Bruins crop jumper that I got from Princess Polly. It's so cute. I'm now going to sit here and spend the next like 15-20 minutes replying to comments on my last vlog. I haven't got around to doing it yet this week, and you guys were the absolute sweetest. Thank you guys so much. I honestly have the best little community here on YouTube, and I'm feeling very, very grateful. So thank you for all of your well wishes and all your condolences, and I'm gonna respond to all your comments now. Also, sorry that the vlog kind of sucked. A lot of you were trying to reassure me that it wasn't that bad, but I know, but that's just life, isn't it? Life happens, and it is what it is. Hi friends, and happy Friday. I'm in the car with Nicholas. He's driving, so let's not distract him, so I'll spell that down. We are going on a little KMART adventure, which I have not been to. When was the last time we went to KMART? It's been like at least a month, and that's a month too long, honestly. So we're going on a little Friday night KMART adventure. Mostly, okay, this is how it came about. I was on TikTok and I saw someone that had sea monkeys, and I was like, oh my god, sea monkeys. They were literally like the highlight of my childhood. Nick has never had sea monkeys. Do you even know what they are? Has not lived. Did a little Google search, and apparently they sell them at KMART, so we're gonna go buy some. We're actually technically, you know, they're alive. No cats, no dogs, no reptiles, no fish, but didn't say sea monkeys in the lease. I think we're fine. If you had to choose any cushion, which one would you choose?
This one.
Apart from the one that we're actually buying.
Oh, this one.
That one? Ooh, bold choice. I actually do quite like that, but it really just wouldn't go.
Not for our house, just generally.
I like this one.
I think that feels too. I don't
No,
like
it's not about the feel, it's for decoration.
But it doesn't feel.
Okay. Did you hear that?
It was from outside.
Spooky. Our KMART trip was a success. We got the goods, the sea monkeys, most importantly. Why is this camera going in and out of focus? This is why I hate it, and why I use my other one all the time.
Why are you using your other one now?
This one just had the memory card in it, quite honestly, and also this camera does work better in low light situations. Okay, babe, you have to be a part of this because you missed out on this. Are you paying attention?
I'm just splitting my focus
between me and the footy. I'm sure a lot of girlfriends out there can relate. Okay, so we've got our 3 little sachets. This one is the water purifier. This one is the actual sea monkeys, the instant live eggs. Huge. And then this one is their growth food.
I hope our landlord doesn't watch.
Sorry, landlord, we have sea monkeys. We'll just take them with us when we have an inspection.
They haven't had one yet.
I know, they haven't said anything. If you guys rent,
normal? Leave it in the comments.
Leave it in the comments. How often do you have an inspection? I thought it was like once every 3 months.
I thought quarterly. We haven't been here 3 months. So.
Yeah, that's true. Updates to come. But I've heard of some people that don't even have one.
What?
Like they'll go their whole lease without having an inspection.
Does it depend on the landlord or
I
the
think both.
company? Yeah, okay.
Oh, that is strong. Okay, helpful hints to grow happy sea monkeys. I feel like a parent. Feed the babies on day 5 after pouring in pouch number 2. Use the small cup on your spoon to avoid overfeeding. That is how much they eat. I don't remember it being this small, but I guess I was smaller.
You're bigger now.
Rude. I remember last time I had these, I was the best sea monkey owner. They bred like no other. They must have been having a lot of sexy time because there was so many babies.
What did you do?
Well, I got a little spooked because one of them, I don't know if it was mutated or they were actually, I was watching them have sex, but I was too young to know. But they were like attached to each other. And so I got freaked out and mum made me throw it in the bin. She said, that's porn. Stir in the powder and set it aside for 24 to 36 hours. Do not add sea monkey eggs until the 24 hours have elapsed. So you're gonna have to stay tuned. Do you want to do the honors? Come here. This is, you missed out on this as part of your childhood. Oh, wow.
No, but like,
you didn't get all of it.
you couldn't see it.
It looks like cocaine on our freaking coffee table. Not that I've seen cocaine, but
Okay.
I have not. I've seen it. I've never done it.
Oh, the truth comes out.